This is an example of how you can use Google Sites to manage a project. In this case, this is our My Personal Jet website project where we're creating a website for the company. And the thing to remember here is this site, this website, is available only inside of the organization. This is not generally available outside. This is not like a normal website that's out there for anybody to discover and go to. So you're protected that way. You can share this with people outside of the organization. That's a possibility, but that's not how it is done conventionally. The important thing here is we're trying to get as much information as we can on one page so people aren't having to hunt around for things. So you'll notice here we have our dashboard right in the middle of the page. And I happen to like to use a spreadsheet. This is a real simple dashboard. Obviously it could be more complicated. And we're tracking kind of the different phases of this particular project with our red, yellow, green scale here. The thing to remember is this is a live document. So any changes made to this spreadsheet will be reflected here on the site. So this is not copied and pasted or anything else. This is actually live. So that's really nice. And you can actually open it directly if you go down here and click on the open the dashboard spreadsheet. Or you can go to just where the dashboard spreadsheet is in your normal Google Drive and open it, and any changes you make will get reflected here. A couple of other things that we have on this page that I like is we have the updates. So this is the kind of the announcements page. This is where you can kind of remind your team of upcoming events, when status reports are due, things like that. It's kind of nice to have. Yes, you can go ahead and send these out with email, but if they lose the email or delete the emails when they come to the site, the project site, they can always immediately see what's going on. Also over here is any new documents that get added to the folder. In this case, we only have the one documents folder. You could have multiple document folders if you had wanted to have one for marketing and a different one for your engineering team or things like that. And so you can get access to the documents over here, or we also can click down here to get access to the document folders themselves. And finally, down here at the bottom is where we have our project calendar. So this is, again, so your team members can see what's coming up, what due dates are. Maybe you've got milestones posted and things like that. So in a nutshell, you have a very quick way to get to everything you need to know about any particular project. You can also go into filing a problem report or a change request. Again, I'll go into that in some of the other lessons in a little bit more detail. But on one sheet, you get a feel for everything that's going on. So let's go ahead and look at how to go ahead and create this project. And the nice thing is once you've created it, you'll be able to create a template and create new project sites for any other projects you're working on very quickly. And you'll see that in some of the final lessons. So let's go ahead and get started.